Hey, this is Thomas from Greyd, and today I want to talk to you about the navigation block. Yeah, no, the navigation block in full site editing still lacks a lot of options when it comes down to customization. Therefore, we enhanced the navigation block quite a bit, and we made it compatible with when you combine the block with a lot of our custom block solutions to give you more and more options to build proper custom menus, whether it's custom dropdowns, a custom mobile menu, and so on. Here we are in the backend, and I already prepared a couple of header layouts and the navigation block. So let's talk about the first header, which could be our main header. In this use case, I just used standard buttons to incorporate some call to action. Perfectly fine, and you can do this in standard full site editing already. The second header could be maybe you build a split header, a section or something like that, and you want to have a different mobile menu or even a different standard menu on a desktop. Therefore, I used our popover and I changed it to a burger layout. By the way, you can specifically design your burger icon as you please. And in this use case, instead of taking it with a standard inline pop-up, I switched to off canvas, but I could do overlay as well. And inside the popover, I just put in the standard navigation block. But what is with the other way around? Because the biggest problem currently is that you don't have the possibilities to design drop-downs with a navigation block. You end up using CSS. And for that, we enhance the navigation block in a way that you can as well put in popovers inside of a navigation block. This gives you the possibility to perfectly build your own custom dropdowns. You can change the colors, the layout, the indicator icon. You can put everything inside a dropdown, whether it's a second navigation, it's a form, whatever you want, you can put in that. So with all of these customization options, it comes down to how to combine the navigation block with a couple of other blocks inside of Greyd to build really amazing navigation concepts. So in this case, for example, I have a left-sided vertical navigation. I scroll down through different sections. Here I come to a sticky anchor and table of content navigation with an anchor active style as well. And you can build something like that without using even one single line of CSS. If you want, for example, to build a mega dropdown, it's perfectly doable. We use here buttons or any other content trigger to actually trigger an entire mega dropdown. Inside the elements in here, I have 3 columns using just standard navigation blocks to put in the sub navigation structure for the pages. So try it out with Greyd and build your own awesome navigation block.